ladies and gentlemen. Like
Ladies
and
and
subscribe.
gentlemen.
Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. I hope everyone had a great Monday evening. We're back. We're ready to make some more money here.
LWS.
Legacy.
Man, oh man. I'm ready to make some money today. I don't know about you guys.
No, we all are. Come on. We're united in three things. We like good money, we like good fun, and we like good friendship.
That we do. That we do, sir. I like that. I like that.
My favorite thing of all time is like when we're in the middle of the stream and like, my man G, and then all of a sudden there's like silence. Like it's like a vacuum, and it's like, mute.
Yeah. Let me.
So we had news at 8:30. I saw that move. I didn't take anything. I just watched it.
Yeah, we had news at 8:30. We got the lows from the overnight at the 8:22. And I feel like, let's see. Yeah, we've been selling off here from that news this morning. Where was the close from yesterday? That's what I need to double check. So the close from yesterday is actually at 24,962.75. So it's actually above us. For some reason, I thought it was going to be below us. But we're going to have to see, because at market open, we may try to retest and fill this retracement, as Moose likes to say, to try closing that gap on the close from yesterday. Yeah, we're gonna have to see. But
Yeah,
I'm excited
we're
either way.
We're taking charge, man. You know what I mean?
We have to. Only way to do this. Hit the gym yesterday. Felt good to be in there, but man, I felt weak. Not gonna lie, I felt weak.
Always the first time back, and then you know it's like, so just take it easy, get in there. Form is rule number one. Don't hurt yourself because you're trying to be Barney Badass again.
I was in there like, man, these weights feel like they gained a couple extra pounds.
That's like, that's what gets me, like when I'm in a weightlifting thing, is it's like I will like some days you just get in and you'll just slay it, like, man, this was easy, and then like some days you'll get in and that same weight, it's like, dear God.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Good morning, Delroy.
All right, we got a little push up. What we got here? We're gonna noodle and doodle. Order filled.
Is that the Orchid Man? No, thought the Orchid Man was here.
It's the water guy.
Water guy should come on Thursday.
Yeah, but he's probably doing an early delivery because he wants to get in for Turkey Day.
Make a new one over here. So I can see all these glorious chats.
Right, we're up at the 21 EMA at the 1 minute.
Not looking at the one, but
look, you can have tunnel vision, sucker.
Tunnel vision.
You gotta take all the things, because sometimes it'll play off that 1 minute. Now I know that the 2 minute is your gold standard, but sometimes double dynamite is in the house.
Double dynamite. Well, morning, everyone. We got people jumping on all these streams here. We got people on YouTube, people on Twitch. Welcome, everybody.
Twitch? What is Twitch, man? Explain that one.
It's just another streaming platform like a lot of gamers stream on. But we're on that one too. So.
Are you doing it on TikTok?
I need to get on TikTok for the streaming, but I've been having issues getting it connected to my OBS.
Yeah.
And I like the OBS, but I'm not trying to have to stream like 4 different streams from 4 different like softwares.
No, you're doing it absolutely right. You know what I mean? It's like you're being methodical. You are being methodical with this in terms of like, because if you got to be efficient if you're expanding. Otherwise, it's going to be like a nightmare.
Yeah.
So give yourself a round of applause.
Giving myself a round of applause. I can do that. I can do that. I'm just ready for market open here because I'm ready to make some money. Like, you ever just have one of those days when you wake up and you're like, I just want to make a lot of money today? That's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling froggy today. I'm feeling froggy. For everyone on the streams, welcome. Morning, Mr. Moose. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
There he is, man. Moose.
The man, the legend, Steve.
Delroy, absolutely. We got 3 more minutes, so I'm gonna jump over there real quick to check it out.
Yo, G.
It's Moose and Delroy. What's up, Delroy?
Who's Delroy?
He's part of the community.
Oh, sorry. Who's that? My bad, Delroy. My bad.
Duane said he's part of the community.
He thought I was one of my alter egos.
Well, you do. Who is Bossifus?
Delroy, I don't see anything in the community, sir.
Who's Bossifus?
You know, every time I check, I'm like, all right, who's on now? I wait till everybody answers, and then I'm like, oh, that's Steve.
That's Steve.
That's funny.
Let's go. Let's make some money today, man.
Definitely.
Let's make some money today. Hey, man, 500 to 600 a day.
That it does. Less than 2 minutes now, gentlemen. Less than 2 minutes for market open. I hope you guys are excited to make some money. Because, boy, oh boy, what else can we do that provides us the opportunity to be able to make money from clicking a button? Just saying.
Live from the free state of Florida. That's right.
All right, I'll double check in a second here, Delroy. I didn't see when I just jumped over there. We gotta get ready for market open here.
Moose, I sent you something.
Less than a minute, everybody.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. That's what we're gonna hunt the market with.
That's it.
Yo, that's seriously, that's nice. I got some things, but not like that.
That has a muzzle velocity of an AR.
We're talking about cookware.
Yep, that has a muzzle velocity of an AR out of the barrel.
Yo, that's nice.
Oh, I know what y'all talking about.
Yo.
What? Hey, G, if you allow Duane to forward on your number, I can send it to you.
I don't have to forward any numbers. You guys can communicate through. Well, market's open, but you guys can message each other in the community.
Market open.
Market is officially open, everybody.
It's a little bit spasmodic now, so hold your horses.
Let's see what we get. All right, this bad boy is selling off here. We have that bear flag.
Bear with us, please.
Ahmed, good morning, Ahmed.
Ooh, it's still going down.
It's tempting. It is tempting. I want to see how the market reacts.
Ooh.
We're gonna hit that low.
Yeah, we're getting ready to tap that low for the overnight session. There we go, through the low. Let's see if we start doing the pop up and stair step down. Ahmed, are you trading this morning, sir? Well, I'm sorry, I can't read that. Well, I'm assuming you are trading. Well, stay safe in the markets. Look at this wick. Looking at these wicks here. Want to see this momentum down to the downside. Let's go, market. Give us something pretty to jump in on.
Pretty awesome.
Ahmed's laughing because I said I couldn't. I don't know what you saying.
Me too. You're like using like as you writing like prints with like letters and the numbers. Let me see.
Well, for everyone, especially the legacy, I appreciate all you guys tuning in and hanging out with me today. I know we do this every day, but I still gotta thank you guys for being part of the community. You guys keep the conversations fun.
Picking up my coquito.
Awesome.
Damn, you got some more? Let me get some.
No, I ordered 2 bottles, right?
Damn.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'll order from her again though because it's taking me 2 weeks to get my 2 bottles.
That's how you know it's good. You know what I'm saying? The more time it takes, the better it is.
Yeah.
Well, the Cojito I get it usually has an alcohol in it. But are you talking about that?
No, not alcohol. No.
No alcohol. No alcohol.
Damn,
Moose doesn't drink. He doesn't drink.
He doesn't drink. He slams it. Oh shit! It went silent.
I do a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, what day is it? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday.
He once said that like the Atlantic is just a little pond, so I understand.
Want to see this market give us something here. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting here.
Come on, my man G needs some.
What you said? What you think I need? What you think I need, Steve?
You need some movement so you can make some money. Hey G, I'm gonna send you my number in the community since Duane is being
I'll send it to you right now. Check your message. Check your message right now. I'll just send you my number right now.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be the middleman. You know what I'm saying? You guys are grown adults and can communicate amongst each other. I don't have to facilitate. I already facilitated the platform. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, here's the deal, Duane. That one time, I'm gonna tell on you a little bit. I asked if I could get a piece of turkey at a previous Thanksgiving. You're like, I'm not gonna be the middleman. I was like,
damn.
I don't recall. I do not recall that.
I don't recall.
That's cold turkey, sucker.
That's cold turkey.
He says, I don't recall that.
Lots of selling pressure right now. Lots of selling pressure. So we're just patiently waiting. Lots of selling pressure. I'm slightly tempted. Slightly tempted, but want to see that good momentum follow through here.
All right, let's see what we've got.
Look at how tight this candle is with the big old wick on it. Super tight 15-minute range so far that we're trying to build out.
It is.
Let's see the high of that, 879, current low, 816. So real tight range currently. Let's see if we build a bull flag right here.
All right. AG, I sent you something.
Ooh, that's a nice magnum, man.
Yep. 460, baby.
460.
It's like a 44 to a 44 Magnum's a Magnum. And that's like a double Magnum, so it's a 44 Magnum if you think of it like that.
Looking at this 5-minute right here, I'm not really feeling it. Not really feeling that flag that's like, trying to print.
I'm trying to just stay out of the market right now so I can make the big money later. Sucker.
I understand that one. We're all trying to stay out the market. I want this to be a bear flag.
Are you doing prime rib at your
house? I'm not sure. I should probably ask.
Like, you're a carnivore like you is not going to be happy with turkey.
Yeah, turkey really doesn't get it going for me at this stage.
I'm going to tell you a life hack. I was probably around your age. I had my family, like you have your family, and I was just like maybe a little before, and I said, man, I'm an adult. I don't have to just do turkey to do turkey. You know what I mean? So there you go.
All right, pushing through that line right there. Let's see if we get the follow through. If we get the follow through, I will take a quick short. But we did not get the follow through right there on the Rincos. So we did not jump in yet.
It's like the Trader Center. Duane Broom mentioned follow through. Reverse course.
That's how it feels.
What's funny about it, Duane, is I have like a line, the same line that you got, and it literally just like stopped there, like razor sharp, and bounced up like okay.
Delroy, you're already down. I'm already in for down. Just seeing your chat right there, Delroy. I actually like this. I actually have now on my screen a chat for all the streams. So now I don't have to flip through trying to keep up. I got all of them now. So
well, sometimes they show up on the Steam, but you gotta ask Ahmed what he was saying, because I couldn't read that either.
Ahmed, are you still in the chat? What were you saying, sir? Was that a good morning? I feel like that's a good morning. This is the best stream in the world.
I have a friend, Mahmoud, and like he could read that, but he's not on the chat. I had to get him over here. He lives in Saudi Arabia. I'm serious.
Steve, you got the best friends. You know what I'm saying? You got the best friends.
Well, you wouldn't believe it about me, but like there's a lot of people that I know, and everybody I meet kind of stays in my orbit. It's probably because I'm so understated, they never notice me.
Come on, market. You're giving us the signs. It's giving us the signs right now. But we keep tapping that yellow line. I need the follow through here.
Well, there's a follow through, baby.
That's crazy. I only got $200 off that. Slightly annoying right there. But made it quick 200. You know what I'm saying? Like, who's complaining? I did just complain.
Yes, you
But-
were complaining a lot.
But $200, whatever. We're gonna rotate to the next account.
$200 for 10 minutes of work is not bad, you know.
Steve, that's why I like you. You put things in perspective so well.
Well,
You know what I'm
and
saying?
It's just like, you know, because honestly, that's everybody's thing in trading. Somebody will have like $800 up, and they'll be like, "Man, I need 1,000." It's like if you had $800 and somebody gave you crisp $100 bills for like an hour's work,
Facts.
and you don't, and you're not on OnlyFans, you're doing good.
No, you ain't lying. You ain't lying.
Hey, Steve,
Yeah.
I personally know somebody like that.
We got 772.75 for the pivot.
I'm like,
772.75 for the pivot point below us.
personally, I'm like, a little bit more.
Oh, it happens to all of us. Oh, yeah, I've got $650 on that one trade. Let me double it. It's like, okay, let's just die.
I gotta continue working on myself. Like, this trading is a journey. It's not a sprint or anything like that. Where you have to always be working on yourself. So for me, I have to be okay, not always hitting home runs. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You know, I was working with my wife, you know, over the weekend doing projects, and she noticed what I've told you is like, since I've traded, it's inadvertently like changed. Like when I'm doing a project, I see it through a lot better. You know what I mean? And it's just like, because it's like you have to have the patience, and then you have the planning to do the next step. And she notices the difference. You know, it's like it's crazy, but it's just proof that it's added to my character.
yeah. Coming down to that pivot point, Delroy, you are correct. We definitely got the signs. You know what I'm saying? And right now, I'm expecting us to build another bear flag somewhere underneath this pivot point that we're coming down to.
Coming down.
I slightly want to take another short just down to the pivot. Quick little scalp.
But it already touched the pivot. You missed it.
We did not touch the pivot yet. We almost touched it there.
Look,
we have not
mine
touched it.
The wick touched it.
There's the tap right there. There's the official tap
Wait,
of the
wick
pivot
is
point.
on it. The wick is on it. You
Let's see
tell
if
me
we
that
keep
wick
coming
is-
down here.
Oh, he's just talking through me. That's not fair.
All right, this bad boy is waterfalling. Wow. Alrighty. This bad boy's just going down. We'll gladly take it. Just want to get some structure for a flag to be able to jump in.
Let me. Duane would like to see a flag, everybody.
Well,
Where's that
the
next
flags make
target?
it safer.
Oh, I know. I agree. I'm calling it out. Well, so what's our next target? The whole number? Since
Right now, the 15-minute range is not even completed yet.
I know, but I'm just saying. Where is it? 15-minute range going? Duane.
Listen, I'm not a mind reader. I can't predict the market. We gotta get the 15-minute range completed first. Then I can tell you where the targets are.
Well,
Like I said, I wanted us to build out a bear flag underneath this pivot. So let's say we start to get some structure for a flag here. I want them to keep this candle green and maybe give us one more candle green, and then we drop it lower after 9:45 here.
You know, that's a lot to ask at a time like this.
Not really. It's not a lot to ask.
Duane. Okay, here's Duane. I'm gonna do I would like to have the A++ setup, and you're gonna do it.
That's it. The market listens. The market listens until I put the line on the chart. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you did put the line on the chart, so there is that.
All right, we're still coming down. Wow. Just a complete meltdown right here. We tapped that 700. We went through that 700. Gentlemen, we may be waterfalling for today's session here. I wanted a flag, but this bad boy's just dumping right now. Be careful. Be careful.
That 1 minute had the flag, by the way. I was looking at the 2 minute.
I was looking at. You are correct. I was looking at the 2 minute as well.
I stepped out for a bit. Did y'all take any trades?
I took one trade, only up $200, but the market's just waterfalling down right now.
Yes, it is.
So just waiting for a good time to be able to enter. Want to see us get a flag, but we may not get a flag right now the way this thing's just coming down.
When you do get a minute, like when you're not like actively searching a trade, will you tell me the range of the
15? I'll tell you right now. The low of the 15, which we're currently below, 682.25. The high for that range is up at 879.50.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So we currently popped out of the 15-minute range. We're right below the low of the 15. Slightly, it looks like it's trying to pop back in. There we go. We're back in the 15-minute range. For everybody on the YouTube streams, please make sure you guys are liking the stream. It helps the YouTube algorithm promote the streams. By the end of this, well, probably by tonight or tomorrow, we'll cross over 80,000 views for the month on the channel. So thank you, everybody that's been watching, tuning in. Can't do it without you guys. Where's my mouse? There we go. Let's see if we get a flag here. Let's see if we get a magical bear flag to take us lower. We did pop out the low of that 15. We're in it currently. So now we're just waiting. We're just waiting patiently. I want the bulls to get this candle green. And they did not. Come on, market. It looks like it just wants to keep on coming down.
Good. Fat boy.
I don't appreciate you calling me fat, G. That's not cool.
Oh, no. I'm calling my brother fat boy.
No, I'm just messing. I'm just messing.
PHAT, pretty high into
PHAT, motherfucker. Who was that?
Hey, doesn't that mean pretty hot and tempting?
I guess. What my favorite thing is when I say something like that and then it goes dead silent. Dead silent.
No, I went into a trade. I went into a trade.
Awkwardness.
I know. It's just like you know you're like rock and roll at a concert and everybody's just like we're at the orchestra.
No.
We're at the orchestra.
Yo, he was
And
funny.
you just hope that G would like laugh at that, but instead it's like dead silent.
Alrighty, quick 540 right there. Thank God. That could have gone very ugly right there. Not gonna lie. I closed at 900, but got 540 off of it. Not complaining there, gentlemen. That was on my take profit account.
I was at micros and I got up to 60 and it closed and it was at $4.
Oh my God! Don't you just hate that?
And then when I looked at the P&L, I was actually owed them 40 cents. So figure that out.
Figure that out.
So currently up for the day, just over $740 for less than 30 minutes of work so far. Not bad. And this market is dumping, gentlemen.
Okay, so if it keeps going, where do you see our next?
Well, we got our first target, which we're coming down to right now. Let me move my cursor out the way.
I mean, we have the whole number right now.
24,583. 24,583 is the first target to the low side here.
I'd like to see a flag. You know,
You and me both. You and me both. Are we finally going to start getting a flag on this 5 minute as well? That would be really, really good for us. Is who's up, who's down, and who's all around. If you're up for the day, go ahead, put in the chat green. Say green in the chat. If you're red if you're red so far, put red. Very simple. You know what I'm saying? Very, very simple. Getting that nice little push up right there. Right in, wow, just back into 15-minute range. That's a strong push right there. Alrighty. Don't know how I feel about that one yet.
It could be, you know what? We could just be getting a nice flag.
We could be. We could be.
Or like I want to. There's a friend of mine. I'm not going to name his name, but he'll use a word. I'm going to try it here. Ready? Retracement.
Well, this thing is absolutely just trying to push right now.
Let's see where your doodles are. Okay.
Well, we got those doodles, but the doodles push the price up. I apologize, market, and apologize for everyone on the stream. I'm sorry. When you see my yellow lines, do the opposite, because the market does not respect them. Like, just being real with you guys.
You know what? Your lines are like when you go to like your great aunt's house or something, so you don't see a lot, and they're like, I made a prune casserole for Thanksgiving, and you're like, no, I'm not going to touch that one.
I'll get ready to rotate off this account to another one. Let's see, what does that put me at? We got that wick on that 2 minute right there, showing some selling pressure.
So what are you working out today, Duane?
Today's back day, the glorious back day.
Okay, so you do the split of the chest and arms, and then you do back solo. When do you do bicep?
I do biceps during the week. I believe that's on like Fridays.
You believe that you do the same thing every week and you don't remember?
It depends. It depends. Like right now, I can't really do leg day because of my knee still.
Yeah. Because I mean, usually you do leg day on a Tuesday to split up those things so you can bomb it out. But
well, normally I do leg days normally on Wednesday.
Look, you're just
for hump
okay.
day. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do legs on hump day. But what can I say? But actually felt really good in the gym, even though I felt extremely weak. Because it's weird, like the last probably since October, right when I got back from Mexico in October, I went to the gym, worked out the Monday, Tuesday, great workouts, but I felt sick for the rest of the week, so I couldn't train.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't get back in because I wasn't feeling well. So I need to get on point. Ever since going to Portugal, sadly, my workout routines have not been as on point as they should be.
Does your girl ever go with you? Because sometimes that's a good motivator.
Not really. She sometimes wants to, but it's not all the time. There's that pivot point touch. So I think we found the low for the session for right now. That 24,602.
There's like, we're almost coming up on the middle section. So like,
Yep.
There's something that we don't do. What is
We do
it?
not diddle in the middle, gentlemen.
Say what?
Andre, welcome. Delroy's green. Just seeing that chat. I need to actually make my trading view a little bit smaller so I can see the chat better. Well, welcome. Andre, glad you're tuning in. Millionaires green as well. Love to see it. And since we got multiple chats going on, I'll put it back so everybody can see it. Oh, clicking the wrong button. I'm like, why is that not jumping on there? Bitcoin does get slept on. And I'm so mad. I'll tell you a crazy story about Bitcoin, right? So back when Bitcoin was like $700 back then, right? So a while ago, my mom, she was like, oh, you should buy some of this. And at that time when Bitcoin was at $700, I did not have an extra $700 to get some Bitcoin, keep it a whole buck. But to this day, I kick myself because I'm like, yo, if I would have just bought then and held,
Oh yeah.
life changing. You know what I'm saying?
Well, my crypto experience has been out of sight. Like I bought Ethereum and I wrote it up and it was like within 3 weeks or maybe a month at the most, it doubled and then I sold it.
Yeah.
And then a little while after that, I still had a wallet, but I wasn't actively trading, and that's when that Samuel Freed guy went to prison and locked out the. Like I was using Coinbase, and I was using that other one that was like this, that ended up like imploding.
Okay.
I haven't got back into it.
Yeah, I did buy some XRP and all that stuff on the last pullback. Because you gotta buy the dip, sell the rips. You know what I'm saying, gentlemen? That's I'm gonna get a shirt made that says that. Buy the dip, sell the rips.
Yeah, but then all the stoners are gonna be like, whoa, what do you got?
Delroy, have you ever traded the NQ? So we're sitting right above the middle of the 15-minute range here.
We're 2 minutes or 1 minute until 10 o'clock.
Yep, so be careful. Don't be in the market for 10. Coming up to this VWAP. VWAP. I don't know why I felt like doing that right there. Sorry, everybody. Let me actually rotate off this account. Go to the next one. Okay. Delroy, question for you. Not sure if I already asked you. Are you trading with a prop firm or your own personal money?
Oh.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock has officially hit. Nice. What platform are you using to execute your trades on? TradingView? Who's your broker? All right, we're right. We just tapped the middle of the 15-minute range. Once again there, gentlemen. We're patiently waiting.
Don't canoodle in the moodle.
Let's see if we build out a bull flag.
I'll go to big bull flag.
But now that I'm putting the lines above the price, you know what I'm saying? You know that's going to push the price down. So get ready for the shorts. Coinbase? Okay.
How do you buy your crypto, Duane?
Honestly, I do it the dummy way. I just use Robinhood. All right, I put the line up top, and there, sure enough, I told you to take a short, gentlemen. I put the line up top, and there you go. Nice little pullback below that pivot point right there. Let's get away from this pivot, away from the middle of this 15-minute range.
Away from the pivot, the life to live it.
Okay, are you? What platform is that, Andre? Is that the Warbucks? Because that's the only one that I know of. All right, coming on back down here. You know what I'm saying? I told you guys. I put the line up top, so take it short. I said that. And sure enough, this bad boy is coming back down. Almost like I did it on purpose.
I think you did do it on purpose.
Possible, Steve, I think you're right. I may have.
My problem with
now we need a 1-minute retracement.
See, there he is, my friend, the retracement man.
I'm gonna give him a shirt for Christmas. The retracement man. All right, I guess no one liked that. My bad. I apologize.
No, I like it. I was
No, I'm listening. I'm just watching now.
I was thinking that you could add like a Batman mask to the whole ensemble.
That was a quick 500.
That's awesome.
I'm up 13 right now.
$13.
I noticed that when I'm like going out my wins, later on I'm like, yeah, and then I'm like, shit. so I stay quiet right now.
Yo, I've been having so much slippage. I just closed out, right? Closed out at 5 something. Only got 240 on that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's why I want to do my computers. You know what I'm saying? I want to throw some hands sometimes.
Well,
Craziness.
You need to update your hardware, baby.
That I do, but I have a addiction to going to Mexico all the time. So me and my girl, we literally looked at the price. We're like, you want to go back to Mexico next week? Kind of crazy. I know we're bad.
Listen, Don Juan, you got to consider that, you just get a nice desktop for here and set up your other one for a trading rig.
Steve, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. I do not know what you just said. I started reading while you were talking. Yeah, my whole entire mind, I didn't even read and I didn't even listen. So can you repeat that, please?
On the internet and around the world, this is our friendship for all to see. Because I'll start talking and it'll blank out and say, what am I going to eat for dinner?
Maybe you turn it around the world.
All right, gentlemen. We are below the 15-minute range once again here.
That was like when your mother, because she's very smart, is like, buy that crypto. And you're like, What? I've got to go somewhere. I'll be back.
No, I just didn't have the extra $700 to get a couple coins at that time. But now I wish I had some because, man, oh man, that'd be a nice little come up.
Totally. See, my thing with crypto is like, you know, I mean, there's so many coins that came out, and then it was like ridiculous, and I haven't like followed back up with it.
Yeah.
Because then they had all that meme coin fiasco stuff that just a turn and burn.
I feel that. Andre, with the breakout prop, what platform are they trading on? Is it like Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, TradingView? What's the platform that you're able to execute the trades on with them? I did move the yellow line down, so don't beat me up, everybody. You know, try to keep that price up. You know what I'm saying? That's what the yellow line's good for. Now, I put it there because I want to see a bear flag, actually. Wants to see a nice bear flag because we got one trying to print on the 2 minute right there. Let's jump over. We got another one on the 1 minute as well. So let's see if we just get that follow through. Because we get the follow through, we're going to make some more money. But I probably should just keep rotating my accounts, so I'm not like, you know what I'm saying, like messing up here.
I know what you're saying.
Let me rotate to the other one. So up for the day, just under $1,000 so far for the day. Not too shabby. It's only been 37 minutes of actually being in the market. So my favorite line, what else can we do that we can pretty much make $1,000 in less than 30 minutes? Legally. Let me say legally.
I'm ready to answer something. I'm kidding. Oh man, nobody found that funny either.
I didn't even hear you.
Oh, Steve, you and I are in the same boat, Steve. They don't hear us.
Yeah, I blanked out as soon as you started talking, Moose. You know what I'm saying? Just complete blank. Like he's talking again. Let me turn my mind off. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's how we feel it. That's funny.
Delroy, I feel you on that one. I personally enjoy prop firm accounts because you get the most leverage on your actual money. You know what I'm saying? And prop firms actually make you become a better trader because you have to follow the rules. But who knows? Early next year, I may put money into a personal funded account and trade that one as well. We'll see. We're back above this pivot point.
Yeah, but look at the 5. I think we're going to drop a little bit. Well, if it closes below this EMA, in my opinion.
Well, we're going to see, sir. We're going to see. Okay, cool. Andre, I'll definitely check them out. Always looking to see what other platforms and prop firms are out there that are good. Do you know how long they've been around for? So we got that big old wick on top of this 2-minute candle right now. I need the bears to step in here and keep this price down. All right, so we're above that pivot point now and above the middle of the 15-minute range. We do have the VWAP sitting up there at 24,821, 24,821. All right, right back down to that pivot. That was an aggressive like rejection. That was extremely aggressive right there. Like, do I take a short here? Because we're getting that big bear flag right there on the 2 minute. Try to wait for the best entry. Looks like we're going to get more structure on this flag here. Just waiting for that follow through. We want the follow through. Delroy, do whatever you feel is best for yourself. If you don't like trading with prop firms, don't trade with them. Like I always say, this journey of trading is personal. Everyone has their likes and dislikes. You know what I'm saying? So no pressure to trade with the prop firm if you don't want to. I guess I'll tell everyone on the stream, since we're all one big happy family. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday, your boy secured another 6-figure contract for one of his businesses. So I felt pretty nice working out at the gym yesterday, not gonna lie. So we can keep this train rolling. What was that?
You got another contract?
Yeah.
For what, security?
Yes, sir.
Woo. On the down. What spot? What spot?
It's for 5 properties for a big hotel brand.
Oh, okay.
So we'll definitely take it. We'll definitely take it.
I'm trying to find some contractors down better. You know, critical for you. It's out there, but I just gotta find.
Yeah. All right. I don't like how we popped right above that pivot point, even though we are starting to try coming back down. I want to see the follow through on this bear flag because we're getting structure for it, but I want to see that rip down here. I want to get through that yellow line. We get through the yellow line, we're going to have to possibly jump in. We're so close to the yellow line. Got the finger on the trigger if we get the good follow through. Oh, thank you, Coach. I appreciate that, sir. Good morning. Andre, I got you, brother. Come on down, Andre. I got you. Just waiting for this to break here because we have not pushed through the yellow line yet for this bear flag. The perks of having them drawing on your charts, it keeps you out the market when it's not going anywhere yet. We're getting closer and closer to that yellow line, but I want to see the follow through the line. Come on, Betsy. It's playing hard to get right now. All right. We tap that line, but we got a green candle on it, so we got to wait. This is why we just don't jump in when we see the flag. We need the confirmation. Is this flag going to pay? That's the question. Is it going to pay? It's starting to ramp up here. Gotta get through that line though. Until we get through that line, I'm not taking it. Almost tap that pivot point. Are we going to tap that pivot and reject off of it? All right, there's the pivot point tap. Is it going to hold us down now? You and me both, Andre. We're all waiting patiently. We came down to that yellow line once again. We did not get the follow through. Glad I'm not trigger happy today. Come on, we got to get through that 740 level. That 740 is holding us up right now. I feel that one, whoever that was. I feel it right now. Like, I'm like ready. I'm ready to jump into the market. But it has to give us the move. All right, there's that pivot point tap again. Lots of structure on this 2-minute flag. Came over here to the 1 minute. See what's going on over here. Yeah, super tight on this 1 minute. Super tight. We got some consolidation happening slightly on the Renko bars there. So it's a hands off until we start a push.
Yeah. I'm about to leave in the next 10 minutes, but I'll be right back. I just gotta finish this delivery. I gotta drop off by 11, and then I'll be back.
No, you're good, man. if I don't see you, because I'll be getting off at 11. So
Okay.
if you're not back in time, I will see you tomorrow, sir.
All right. I'm trying to see if I can jump in a little something before I leave.
I feel you. We're all waiting. We're all waiting right now.
Damn, I was muted, but I made right after when Moose said he made 5, I made 4.
Nice. Make sure you put your victories and your losses in the discussion in the community so we can all see it and work together and thrive off of them. You know what I'm saying? The market right now is literally just creeping up on this yellow line that I put. Gotta love it.
Uh-oh. It looks like it's about to do it, baby. Let's go.
Well, we need some strong follow through because I'm not trusting this movement right now. Because right now we're consolidating on the Renko bars.
Okay, 48. Come on. Go back down, baby.
Look how tight this is. Super tight. This is going to be it. Let's see. I don't like how it's been bouncing at the 740. We got to get through that 740 level.
Hey, where you going?
But looking at this 5-minute, we do have those books up top, but that's looking like a downward direction. Are we going to come on down, or are we getting ready to rocket ship up? That's the question. All right, we're through the 740 level. I'm just not trusting it. The way the market's moving right now, it's not trustworthy. Deborah, I'm going to take a look at it in a second at your post.
It went through that yellow line.
It did, but it wasn't clean. I didn't like the movement.
Hey man, I'm back.
Not liking the movement right now.
I said I'm back.
Steve is back, gentlemen. Steve is officially back.
I got a call from somebody I used to work with because they're not supporting the department, and so I gave them like all the information. I would have never helped the company out, but they were suffering, so there you go. Okay, Jimmy, tell me what's going on.
Right now, the market's doing some consolidation. Delroy, I'm looking at what you posted. Did you make money? Did you lose money? Because it doesn't say if you bought or sold.
I made money.
Maybe I should refresh this as well. Yeah, I'm not liking this movement currently. People are currently getting chopped up. I'll tell you that right now.
Well, you know, that's my favorite thing about you is like when you go out in the middle of the dance floor and you're just like, I don't like this movement right now.
for my sister's wedding is actually funny. So we were all on the dance floor. Mind you, I've been dealing with the knee issue. So back when we originally went in October, the knee issue had like just happened. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we're on the dance floor. I'm trying to dance. I did one little twist, little pop. I was like, no, I need to sit down. My knee about to completely give out. And I'm not trying to go down the dance floor in a cave. Like, no, nope, not happening to me.
Yeah, you don't want to go down a dance floor in the cave and then be like, not be able to get out.
All right, we had I can't even say it. It's like, it's so tight right now. The market is extremely tight. Good job, sir. No, with your setup, I just didn't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, because that's not a setup that I look at. The way your chart was laid out. Like I said, this 240 area, not 240, 740 area. I wish it was 240.
Wait, 240? That must have dropped a lot since I was.
That's why I said I wish it was 240. We would have been like flying on PJs right now.
Like Duane will be like, I'm going to Mexico tomorrow. I paid for 2 weeks.
Well, listen, John, I am tempted to go back because.
No, wait. So when I kind of left, not to interrupt you, absolute respect, sir, but you were saying something about you were talking about wanted to go next week. Have you been already looking at that again?
I didn't. My girl reached out to our concierge to see what the price would be. And it's such a good price. Like, it's one of those things where it's like they're giving it to us for free.
Well, I doubt that, because there was a thing that my father used to say when I was growing up. They're giving them away, like he'd be talking about a car or something like that. But
I don't believe it. Take us with you. Prove it.
Moose in paradise.
Well, it was only going to be like $1,200
For all of us, we out.
for all. First, not for you. For me and my family, it's only going to be like $1,200.
Well, you know, it's like.
Hey guys, hold on. I thought at the beginning of all this, he said we were family.
Yeah.
We are. We all are. All right, we got a bear flag actually showing up on the 2-minute slightly.
The legacy family.
But it was going to be $1,200 in December. I think that was for like 4 days, 4 nights.
God, that's like Motel 6 money.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's like, do we go? But I'm like, we're already going back in February. Like
they're gonna have like the Duane Broom II commemorative suite out there.
They're going to have to. They're going to have to.
The El Presidente suite.
Oh, their presidential suite is so nice too. It's crazy. It is crazy. You have your own pool on the rooftop.
Okay, so let me ask you this. I know you'll be doing that next year, but out of the 2 rooms you went to, what was your favorite?
I'm torn, Steve. That's a loaded question. I'm torn only because I love having the ocean view, right? But it's really cool having the pool where you can walk right into it. So next time I think we'll do like the river suite where you can walk into the river. Possibly do that one because it would be cool. You could paddleboard and like kayak through the river to your room. So
how do you know it's your room? It's like you're like, oh, hi.
No, like we would probably leave something on the backside so we know when it's ours, but not walking up to some random person's room. That'd be crazy. We're above that pivot point. We're in this tight little zone right now, so not a big fan of the market movement currently.
We're gonna touch that whole number, maybe.
Oh, we got that VWAP above us.
Whole number first, sucker. if we lose this VWAP, where are we going?
385 right there. Try closing at 5 something.
Yeah, the latency has been awful.
Like craziness. But no complaints.
I entered in and it was like literally like 2 seconds. Right when I was gonna close it, it put me in as it's going the wrong way. But I was able to mitigate it. But
I feel like if we get above this VWAP, which we're currently above, we're tapping the overnight low as well. I feel like we gotta go try testing the high of the 15-minute range, because we have not broken out to the high side yet, and we're below the close from yesterday.
I got a bull flag that's starting on the 1.
Where's my OBS?
What the heck was that?
Let me do that real quick.
My drawing tool glitched. It made like a big blue line. It was like wider than the chart. It was strange.
So we officially cross over $1,000 for the day.
Is that official or not?
It's official. It's official. Let me add everything up here.
Oh God, he's got his calculator out.
I got the calculator out, gentlemen. You know it's real when I'm adding it. What was that?
You jumped on the trade?
Yeah, I did. So $1,300 today.
Oh, okay.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby, gentlemen. For all the people in here, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're enjoying this, you gotta show support. You know what I'm saying? All you need to do is subscribe. That's it.
Everybody in this whole world needs this.
We'll touch the VWAP and then.
Yeah, we're building a bull flag right on this VWAP right now. Right on the VWAP, we're building a bull flag.
And it's matching that other candles, the high candles like from like 10 o'clock. There's also that if you look across on the 2-minute.
Yeah, we cleared that. We did clear that wick. Let's see if we get some structure for a bull flag here. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good, gentlemen. Anybody have any big plans for this week? Where y'all getting to? We got Thanksgiving this week.
Oh, we got.
Best believe I'm gonna be eating too much.
Well, you know, I'm gonna be like, we're gonna be having family and we're gonna be camping and having some fun.
Can't beat that. Building this flag. That's crazy. I looked over at the computer I execute the trades on. Yeah, I moved the mouse and I'm like, where's my mouse? It was on my other computer. Crazy. But we're good now. We got the mouse back in action.
We got the mouse. We got the style.
I think it's ready to push up though.
Well, we got the bull flag. We're waiting for the follow through on the flag to potentially take another little trade here.
Touch the bull flag and like and subscribe.
Yeah, like, subscribe, like the stream as well if you haven't already.
Like
You're helping the algorithm share us to more people when you do it. There will be no traders hangout tonight. Tomorrow night we'll be back for the rest of the week.
Important that you're not hanging out with your friend.
Well, I probably should do one tonight, but I was gonna be doing Wednesday through like Friday. Well, actually, no. Maybe I do it tomorrow night only because Thanksgiving. I probably not going to be streaming.
You kept saying Thursday. I was like, are you okay?
No, I'm a madman. I'm trying
Okay,
to beat this YouTube game. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're in the 1% for new trading creators.
Did you call me like in the top 1%? Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Steve, you're in the 1% too, man. All right, we're below that pivot point once again. Not liking this movement. If we stay below this pivot, look for a sell.
I rode that that trade down to the pivot point. I like the movement.
Oh, at least you liked it. I was saying I don't like it because I was looking for a bull flag.
Look, let me tell you something about this trading system. I know legacy wealth. You don't. The market could go up. The market could go down. We're still making money.
Always. It does not matter what direction we go.
Maybe you should, Duane Broom. Why don't you talk to Duane Broom, and then he'll teach you that.
I'll reach out to him.
Sometimes I wonder who you are. Are you a robot again?
Possibly. I may be. Let's see if we're going to get this push here. Yeah, we got the flag on the 1 minute as well. Want to get above that VWAP.
Above the VWAP.
Let's go, Betsy. Let's go. You can do it, girl.
Come on, Betsy.
Just want to see this follow through, and that's it for me. Andre, what you laughing at, sir? Andre, what's so funny, man? I want to know. Are the Bulls going to push this, or are the Bears going to steal it? You got that big wick on that 5 minute. Let me know that the Bulls are trying to push up. While we're waiting for this to do something, let me go check my Robinhood for the day. This is frozen. Don't know why it's frozen. I'm currently down $1.43 on the day on the Robinhood.
Uh-oh.
Man.
You better tighten up.
Just some real slow movement.
Yeah.
I feel like the sellers are getting ready to steal this one because the Bulls don't seem to have a lot of momentum right now.
Man. I just saw a picture of myself at 42.
You could get back there. You could definitely get back there. I saw a picture when I was 2 months ago. I'm like, man, what did I do? No. We're right below this VWAP. Oh.
Okay, let's. Can we get past the VWAP?
Oh, is this going to be the push finally? We tapped the line. We did tap the line, but I want to see the follow through.
There's news again, right? 8:30 tomorrow. Is that
Yep.
the total news?
Yeah, we got 8:30 news once again tomorrow, which we'll take.
Okay, let me ask you this, Dwayne. Since it's coming up on the Thanksgiving day off, have you seen where that affects it like a lot? Since it's like a day off in the middle of the week as opposed to like a 3-day weekend, you know what I mean?
The market on Friday may act probably a little bit slow and choppy, to be real.
Yeah.
You can still make your money. It just may not be as clean of for setups.
Yeah, because you what gets me is like how certain things will send it spiraling, and then certain things like when the government opened back up, it was like a non-issue. You know
Yeah.
what I mean, it's like what you kind of expect. It's like you know it's kind of weird sometimes about what sets it off and what doesn't.
Yeah. It has a mind of its own. It has a mind of
does.
its own.
Where are you putting this bar? Okay, so you have I see now. You have the line above it that's right by the VWAP. So
Yep. Bulls, not much momentum with them right now.
this is some serious bull flag.
Are we going to get a nice little rip here?
That'd be nice.
Because we got less than 20 minutes before I'm getting off this stream. So I can finish some other work and get to the gym again. Gotta crush back day.
I love back day.
You and me both. It's one of my favorite days for the week in the gym. Bulls, are you guys going to push it? All right, there's the VWAP tab. We're trying to get above the yellow line here, but oh boy. Oh, come on, Betsy. Oh, that's a good girl right there. Come on, girl. Let's go. Give me some more. Give me some more. Let's go. Let's run it. Let's see how high we going. Or else I'll just close and lock in this profit here. Oh yeah, let's go. Take me to the promised land. Don't mind if I do. Oh, we'll take that.
We're gonna just keep ripping.
We gotta go test that high of the 15-minute range, gentlemen.
Which was 79.75.
The high for the 15-minute range is 879.75. Yes, sir.
Hey, are you questioning my intellect?
No, sir, I'm not questioning anybody. Your boy called out. Your boy was waiting for the flag.
My man.
Just put in this account over 3 G's today on that one simple move. I did size up. I did trade 4 contracts, but I only sized up because what do we know? The flags won't always repeat themselves.
Always.
And when we see it, what I realize I have to stop doing is second guessing myself. Even with the strategy, I sometimes second guess myself. Complete transparency.
Can you say that thing about the flags again?
The flags always repeat themselves.
Hey, wait,
So
wait,
I'm expecting.
Wait, my ear was turned. Say it again. Say it again.
Well, everybody, the flags always repeat themselves. And as we continue to come higher, closer to this high of the 15, I'm expecting to get another bull flag for us to finally pop out of the 15-minute range to the high side.
And the 1 minute is already working on that, just so you know.
Even better. Even better.
The 2 minute as well. Let's just see if they can hold it to the red. That'd be great.
But I love flags because they always work. If you wait for the follow through and for the confirmation, they always work. I myself mess up trading flags sometimes because I don't wait for the full follow through.
And then we gotta have that breakout trades too, man. With the flags, it's wonderful. It's a late.
Yeah, we're getting some structure for this flag here.
Let's see what we got.
I'll actually switch back to my take profit account. Just in case it wants to like run, you know what I'm saying? Like up over $4,000 for the day. We're probably pushing closer to 5. I love trading. Like I love trading so much. This is awesome.
Well, if it wasn't for, this group, you know what I mean? Duane, Silent G.
Well, Silent G was having to go do something, so he may not even be on the stream.
There's still 4 here, so just on mute. Silent G.
I'm here.
Oh, there's Moose.
I'm just watching right now.
Yeah, Moose is planning on taking over the world. I could see it. Oh, it's tapping that VWAP.
Let's see if we use this VWAP as support to keep us up.
We're gonna settle into the. Now we're at the whole number. And the EMA.
This bad boy. I hate when Tradify's trading journal doesn't update. And then you're sitting here refreshing it for like 30 minutes for it to refresh.
Well, do you know what mine did? It like left a trading day out. Like I signed in on Monday and it didn't show my Friday on the journal. And I was like, well, that day is done. Like, what's going on? But
Yeah, that's weird. That's weird.
I still want to know about those new accounts. When are they gonna announce them? By the way,
Oh, let me double check the partners Discord group.
they kind of say that. It's like, okay, well, what is it? Because honestly, I'm trusting you and looking to you as the Godfather to let us know if that it is really a good thing or not.
No, of course. They said stay tuned for the major announcement. So that's really not helping anybody. But if you have advanced accounts currently, you won't lose those.
Yeah, but if somebody goes tilt, they'll just have to refund their account in the interim.
Yeah.
I mean, not that I plan on going tilt. But
you can still reset those advanced accounts that you guys already still have.
Yeah, you taught me something because you're so wise. You're freaking wise. Like, you just go to a new account because you're still your subscription is being prorated through the month. So if you refund an account, why does that matter? You might as well just get the whole month on the other one.
Yeah, no facts, because you pay more anyways to reset the account.
Yeah, and I was like, because I did that once, and then it was like, it was like a week later, the subscription renewed. So I was like, okay, that was dumb.
We're below this VWAP.
Let's see it.
Right by this 21 EMA as well. I may be, if we don't get any other moves, I may have to call it for me actually taking trades, only because. Wait, who's that?
You gotta see this next moves. But
hold on, babe. Brenda, the Orkin guy's at the door.
Orkin, man.
Okay. No, I just looked at the camera. There's a guy out there in a white shirt. I'm like, oh, it's the Orkin guy. It's the Orkin guy.
Keeping those palmetto bugs.
Andre, what do you mean? What happened? You're missing out, man. Your boy's over here making money, taking names, up over $4,000 for the day. Can't complain there. And waiting to see if we could add a little bit more to his take profit account.
My hip hop name is actually Take Profit. Gonna break through? Is it gonna break that line?
I feel like it's giving us a bear flag right here above this pivot point.
So if it unloads, where are we going to downtown?
If we unload from this pivot point down, I say we're going to come down and retest at least a 701. So pretty much that whole number, 700s.
Yeah.
I would say we're going to come down and retest that.
Of course, it knows we're watching, so it's like, I'm just going to build the quintessential bear flag for you. Because you're talking about going short, so I'm going to linger.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. We are 6 minutes away from 11 o'clock. 6 minutes away from that, so that whole time frame.
Well, you got the time frame, you got the EMA that's kind of acting as support.
Want to get below that pivot point to give me some warm and fuzzies here. Just waiting for the follow through to be real. Not trying to jump in too early and not too late. Just at the right time.
See, that's what I really need to work on is just kind of jumping in at the right time.
Yep. Well, the lines today have definitely been helping me not jump in.
No, I understand that. I'm just saying, like, when the move happens, sometimes it's like, yeah, they repeat themselves, but if I could get in, you know, because especially with the latency, it's like, it caused me to miss out on a couple of moves because it's like 1,000, 2 1,000 market change position going the alternate way, and you're in.
That's the worst. That's the worst.
I mean, I was and that's when I'm trying to do an absolute scalp, so it's not like I'm.
Wait and see we get this bear flag to play out, but we're sitting right on the middle of this 15-minute range.
Well, we got the 15-minute range, and we got that pivot point that's acting as resistance now too. It's like.
All right, here comes the pivot point. Almost touched it. All right, there's the pivot point touch. Want to see us get below this pivot point. We do have these wicks on the bottom of those 5-minute candles.
That's showing something there for sure. Thank you for calling that.
Yep.
I was getting fixated on the 1 minute and the 2 minute.
We all do that.
Well, that's why, you know, one of the best lessons I ever learned, and you know, is like get in, get out. Like, you know, at 11 o'clock, yes, there'll be other moves, but there's some days like in the past where I'd be on just trying to watch for that move, and at the end of the day, I'd feel like a bowl of Play-Doh, like that.
All right, so
you know what I mean?
we're above the VWAP.
Can I get an amen on that or no? Probably.
Amen. Amen.
Okay.
Amen.
Okay.
For everyone on the stream, amen. We're up today. And what's crazy is I was originally going to be done at $1,300 today, and then sure enough, your boy ended up putting in another $3,000.
Hey, you know what? It's like $1,300 is no shame. So don't, you know, it's like you read the market, you saw the opportunity, but.
So we're back above this VWAP. So that bear flag that I was looking at, currently not paying off. But that's why we have the line too. Because I was telling myself, it's all in your head, gentlemen. It's all up here. You draw in your chart so that way you tell yourself, if we don't cross through here with momentum, we're not taking the trade.
Yeah.
And even when we cross through, we have to make sure there's momentum. Because if there's no momentum, even if we cross that yellow line to the low side.
Because it can double back and then.
Exactly. We're here to make money, not risk money.
Well, that's, you know, the thing, that's one of the things I'm hoping is, you know, on training and stuff is like getting into the momentum setting. And then the other one I really want to see is if you ever happen to set up a fresh trade of 8, like if it can like systematically show your setup over there, like what, even if it's just like you just say what your setup is and it can, you know, can kind of extrapolate.
Okay.
Because that trade of 8 to me is just, it's still in its normal position, and it's just like a medical chart. It's just like all over the damn place.
That's because they purposely, I feel like they do it on purpose. They scared traders. When you first log into that thing, they got everything and then some showing.
It's like, you know, if I wanted to have like an odd flex, I would like take a picture of that and say I trade, because then people are like, oh shit, that's what, you know what I mean?
Yeah. 11 o'clock, gentlemen. It's officially 11.
It's 11.
Got a couple more minutes, and then we'll be getting off here. Want to see if the market does anything, because I was looking at this bear flag, where the yellow line is. You know, we have the pole coming down, the push up. So I'm trying to see if we get the momentum to the downside here. While I do that, you know what I'm saying? Give myself a breath mint, you know what I'm saying?
Boy, it kind of started to go down and pushed itself right back up, that wick.
My cameras are going off the hook right now. Since I'm a security expert, you know what I'm saying? I got cameras, I got 0 blind spots around my property.
I bet.
If my kids are, oh, Ava hit me, or Duane hit me, or Tristan hit me, I'm like, where were you at the house? What side of the house were you at? And I could play it back, be like, no one even touched you. You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you lying?
Yeah, you like type it in, you're like, okay, I'm looking and I have 3 angles of that, and there wasn't contact.
You would think I'm like an NFL team with all the cameras I got. You know what I'm saying? Because we got all the angles.
Oh, yeah.
Well, my landscaper, hilarious. He sent out a new guy. I've been using the same landscape company for the past like 4 years. Yeah. He had a new guy. The new guy ran over, like, not the foot, but on my cover over my grill.
Yeah.
I have a big old cover over there, a tent. He ran over the fabric that was on the ground.
Oh, no.
And it completely destroyed one of like the fabrics for the screen on one side. Absolutely. The guy was trying to act like he didn't do anything, right? Because we heard like the machine just like make a weird noise and stop. We're like, what was that? My girl looks, she's like, oh, the tent's messed up. We play back the footage. He goes over it and he tries fixing it. There's no fixing it. You know what I'm saying? It's done. It was completely done. And he didn't even admit it at first. And I'm like, dude, I'm just going to send the video to Antonio. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not even going to play this with you. I'm just sending it to Antonio. That's my guy, the head guy.
Yeah. Because
I'm like, you're not going to sit here and act like you didn't do anything.
Yeah, exactly. Get off my property and don't come back, and I'll talk to Antonio.
And then Antonio's like, oh, great guy. My guys are great. Oh, yeah, he's like, I specifically told him to be careful over there.
Yeah.
No, it is what it is.
Well, you own it, though. You know, if a mistake happens, you just say, we'll get it fixed. You know what I mean?
No, 100%. Andre, you on a site right now? I don't know who's a harder worker, Andre or Moose.
Or Moose? I'm a hard worker. I'm Mexican. I beat everybody.
Trying to give it a couple more minutes here before we get off. I'm trying to see if this plays out.
But it's a little bit under my line, but there's no momentum, so.
It is too much in the same place.
Yeah, it's chippity chop. Orale Moose.
Right back to the VWAP.
I feel like we're chopping in the channel. I'm not seeing anything that's, of course, now it's going to start moving. Right?
We have those big wicks on the bottom of those candles.
Well, yeah, I'm looking at the 2 minute. You're seeing the 5 minutes reflecting that. So, well, this next 5 minute candle should tell us something.
So on Trading View, well, not Trading View. On Tradeify, up for the day, 37.56.84, and that's what I take home after the commissions and fees. 4 trades, 4 winners. Then on my take profit, 540 over there, but it doesn't show on Tradeify. So up over $4,000 for the day. That's a solid day. I want this bear flag, man.
Well, you and me both, man. I'm like, what? I'm looking at every pixel on my screen at this point.
We got that big wick on top of that candle.
If it loses that pivot point, we're in business.
Let's go market.
It looks like it's building a bear flag on the 1 and the 2.
I may close out this one. Took a stab at it. And instantly rejected. Gotta love it.
It's heading up to that VWAP again.
Just got stopped out on that one. Slightly annoying. So green in 4 accounts, red in this one. Gotta love it. It happens. It happens.
So that's the growth account that just you get it shuts itself off after a certain point.
No, this one was on my take profit account.
Oh.
Yeah, so on my Tradeify accounts, I'm done trading those for the day. Well, actually after this one too, I'm done trading because that was just reckless.
I just want to see a resolution because you were just you had ants in your pants, but like
I did have ants in the pants.
You just wanted to jump in and. Oh, so did they fix your screen for you on the awning or the cover?
Yeah, they paid to get it replaced, so.
Dude, Dwayne's got the little joystick thing. It's like.
Pretty much.
It's got the full loss prevention setup. There's like 8 screens. It opens up behind a false wall.
And watch this actually come back down. Well, Andre, 6 a.m. That's a long shift, man. I understand those days, especially on a site too.
You know, I was a lieutenant of security like a lifetime ago.
And then watch this. Oh, that's so dirty. So dirty. If this pays after I just got stopped out, I'm going to have to throw hands.
Don't throw hands.
Because, let's see. If I could get to it quick enough.
All right, rock and roll.
Finally dropping.
Yep, this is what I was calling.
But if you
let's see if we get the follow through here. Yeah, I'll add some more to this account.
You mentioned a post, but did you know that I was like a lieutenant?
I did not.
Yeah, it was when I lived out in California. I worked at the Blue Cross. Like, we covered their whole complex. I was
okay.
Yeah, that's.
I'm sure you saw a lot of things for the Blue Cross.
It was in San Fernando Valley. It was like one city block, and it was like one skyscraper in the middle.
Okay.
So it was like, yeah, it was pretty insane. Okay, we're gonna test that pivot point.
Yeah, I want to wait till we get through the pivot.
Me too. It's not touching
Wait.
it yet. I still had my Sam Brown and my PR-24 when I came out here, and my holster, all that stuff. But then it was like in a shed, and then the leather got ate up by the humidity.
Ah.
And I think my ex-wife has my PR-24 because I asked for it back.
And that probably got like, oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah.
We're like so close for this flag of pay. Like,
Yes.
that's the only reason why I'm still streaming right now. I want to see this pay. I want to see it pay off.
I want to see it pay out because I'm looking. I drew a horizontal line at 82, and there's like a bunch of candles on the 1 minute landed on that line. So it seems like that's an area of resistance. If you look at your 1 minute,
Yeah.
you'll see it. And now it's heading back up again. So it's like that seems like that's going to be the bottom of the move unless it actually gets some momentum.
Yeah. Gotta have the momentum.
Otherwise, you get the chippity chop, and we don't want that.
Yeah, we do not want the chippy chop chop. But with that being said, gentlemen, I'm actually going to get off here with this slight push up here. Be prepared. As soon as I get off the stream, it's going to finally drop for you guys. So I'm trying to help you guys right now.
It's going to run right now, Duane. 10 more seconds. 2 minutes. 120 seconds.
Fellas, nothing may happen yet.
I'll see you guys later.
All right, Moose. Have a good one.
All right, Moose.
All right, guys.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
It happened yet? Still see it's in the 800.
What was that?
I said nothing ain't happened yet.
It did a little. I took a bull flag, put in the account for $3,000 on that one.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. I'll make
No, but after the gym I will probably.
I'm making my
Thank
way
you.
back home now. I just finished that delivery.
Oh, nice.
Well, I waited, G, just so I could say goodbye to you. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm like I gotta wait for G to come back so I can tell him I'll see him tomorrow.
Yo, we can't break the stream without G, man. Come on.
But gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I may do a hangout stream tonight. I'm not sure yet.
Well,
If
you
I
just
do,
posted. You posted and boasted.
actually, I will do a hangout stream tonight because I won't stream on Thursday.
I was
So-
figuring you're gonna be like, "Here's my turkey gravy, sucker."
Here's my turkey. You never know. You never know. But everyone have a great rest of your day. Stay safe if you're still going to be trading. I will see you guys tomorrow.
I think I'm done because I'm gonna out of my brokerage account. I'm gonna pay myself, so I'm good.
Hey, get it done. Proud of you.
You know what? And it's probably it just like because I want to see that money coming in my account just as a confirmation of legacy wealth.
So what's the most you got back so far?
Well, I'm just starting trading on that account this week, so it's just like and so I'm building it up, but I'm also gonna pull a little out just so it's kind of like getting into the habit. So
Yeah, and so you can see the fruits of your labor too.
that's it.
It makes it real.
Because it's like Duane's father is like somebody that's like taught me a lot, and that's like one of the things like very wise, the wisdom. And so, like along those lines, it's absolutely that. But I'm trading 4 accounts, and all of them are green.
That's awesome. Good job. Good job.
All right.
So yeah. So with this, it's just like, just having that cash in hand, like the money in the wallet that I know is mine. So
Yeah, no, I'm gonna trade a little bit. See if I can get a couple points going up or down.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, I'm definitely just doing it to just have that incidental cash. Like when I had my other business, it was like I never had to withdraw from the bank because I'd have my tip money and all that stuff. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like that. Just have the cash in my wallet or on the card, and then
Yep.
it's just like you're not pulling out the Visa on that one.
Yeah.
So I mean that's my first goal. It's kind of a humble goal because it's like but it's just like if I can start covering stuff like that, I'm good.
Hey, we'll definitely take it. Happy for you once again, sir. You guys have a great rest of your day. If I do the stream tonight, I'll put it in the schedule on YouTube.
Oh man, and that horizontal line that I drew, it hit on it again. So at 82, it's parking. So
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
And it goes up and it thinks about the VWAP. It says, "Yeah, I'm good." All right.
All right, fellas, man.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
All right, later.
For everyone on the YouTube streams, appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you're liking, subscribing. We may have a hangout tonight, potentially. If we do, I'll put it in the schedule so you guys can see it. But with that being said, everyone stay safe in the markets, and we survived to live for another day. So we'll be trading tomorrow once again, 9:20 a.m. And we may hang out later tonight. Be blessed. I gotta go get to the gym, and I'll see you later. Have a good one, guys.